Hello class, remember we have a test today, so we're going to go over a few things before you take your first test. Number one, the test is on Schoology. Remember, you can use your notes. We expect you to use your notes, and we expect you to use a calculator. Miss Hoffman and I want to know, not what we know. So instead of asking us, you need to ask your notes and ask your calculator. Remember, in this Unit 1, our goal is to get you to use the order of operations correctly to simplify equations. Remember, the order is parentheses, followed by exponents, followed by multiplication or division, whichever comes first on the left side, followed by addition or subtraction, whichever comes first on the left side. Also, remember, after each step, we start over with parentheses, exponents, and work our way down until we're done. One thing about exponents, remember that an exponent is this little number here, and it tells you how many times you're multiplying that number by itself. This 3 means 3 sevens. This 2 means 2 fives. Also, remember, if there's a tie in exponents, you need to do everything up top here before you apply it to the number. Remember, when there's a tie in parentheses, that you do the innermost parenthesis first, or the parenthesis on the left if there's one on the left or right. So it's been a little while, but this is in your notes. Here we have a lot of parentheses going on in this equation, so this is a good example of when you need to think about a tie for parentheses. We have actually 3 parentheses. A parenthesis, and a parenthesis, and over here we have a parenthesis too. What do we do first? Yes, we do 40 minus 15, because this is the left parenthesis, and then in the left parenthesis we go deep inside it. When we're done with that, we take 5 to the power of 3, or 5 caret 3 in our calculator. 5 times 5 times 5, which is 125. When we put all of this together, we stop on the left, and we move over to the right parenthesis. 4 asterisk 3, or 4.3, is the same thing as 4 times 3. We apply that and add it, and then we divide both parts. This thing we talked about that I want to remind you of is when a number is written next to a parenthesis, it means multiply. We're first going to do everything in the parenthesis, but then we're going to take this answer and multiply it by 4, because 4 is touching the parenthesis. Good luck on your test. Remember to use your calculator and your notes.